You're not meeting? We're gonna meet.
You can't meet.
Hey, do you guys remember lots of days ago?
No.
Merrick, do you remember when we played a game about what was the same and what was different about some toys?
Yeah.
Remember we had those round puzzle pieces and then we had a square puzzle piece? And one was blue and one was red. I was talking about those puzzle pieces. The one that's a blue circle and one that's a red square. And we all talked about how they were different colors and different shapes, but they were the same because they were both puzzle pieces. And then we played a game with the babies. Do you remember the game with the babies? Where I have those babies. And I have them hiding right here.
Baby?
Yeah. I'm going to pull out two babies, and we're going to talk about what's the same and what's different, like we did last time. You ready?
Yeah.
I'm going to mix them up. All right. I'm going to pull one baby out. I'm going to pull out the other baby. What's the same? That one? What about this one?
Brown.
It's brown. Is that different from this one? Or is it this?
White.
And this one's white.
White.
What else? So their color is different. You
Brown.
see black and brown.
And black and brown.
What else do you see, Clive?
Black. Black. I found another
And we
one.
found another one. What's the same and different about this one?
White.
This one also. Where's the white? Can you show me where the white is?
Right there.
Oh, on the clothes. Yeah. What about the hair?
Right there.
That one has black hair. What color is this hair?
I think this one's white.
This is white hair.
This one's their paper.
Well, can I read you a story of what we talked about when we played this game? I'm going to read you the words that you guys were talking about. And it was like, just like some of the words that you just said now. And I asked you, what's the same and different about these babies? And Lulu said,
White fox.
one has brown hair and the other has black hair. And then Clive pointed at baby shirts and said, they have white shirts and that one doesn't. And then I said, yep, those are things that are the same and those are things that are different. And Lulu said, feet too, they have feet. And Merrick said, yeah, they have feet. They all have feet. And then Liam pointed at his nose, and then he pointed at the baby's nose, and you said nose. And I said, you're right, Liam. They all have noses.
Nose behind?
Yeah. They have their noses. They each have a nose. And then Lulu said, they both have black hair. These two. And then Cormac.
Behind back here.
Hmm?
Back there.
Liam has black hair.
And so
Why
does
does it
Sid.
work?
So does Anna.
Why does it work?
So does Nick.
Why does it work?
And then Eugene. Cormac reached over and he said this. I think he was saying that this was different.
It's city Japanese.
And then Merrick, you stood up with both arms in the air and you said, black baby!
No.
Yeah, that's what you said.
Black.
And then Merrick said, or Lulu said, no, it's not black, Merrick, it's brown. And I said, yeah, you're both right. Sometimes this skin color is called black or brown. And then I said my skin, when it gets really sunny outside, changes into sort of a brown color. So you kind of got a little brown from snowboarding out in the sun. And then Lulu said, one is brown and the other is white shirt. And then Merrick pulled out her shirt and said, I don't, like me, I got a white shirt. And then that's when our story stopped. Of you guys noticing of what is same and what's different about the babies. Do you guys see anything else that's the same and different? What's that?
I got that.
You got that?
I got that.
You got that?
I want that. I want that.
Pass around the babies.
I want that.
Okay, we can. Yeah, we'll take turns passing it around. Maybe you can love the baby a little bit.
This baby has freckles, I see.
Oh yeah.
Does this baby have freckles?
Does it have these little dots?
No, they're freckles.
I have freckles.
Oh. You freckle like the baby.
Emily has freckles like the babies. I don't have freckles, but I sometimes have these little brown dots. But I don't have a bunch.
Passing that one.
And I also have tattoos. You ready?
Oh, I got tattoos. I got tattoos.
You have feet? I have feet.
I'm really hungry. Where's my tattoo? Where's my tattoo? I'm really hungry.
There's a freckle right there. Yuji has a freckle.
Oh, you have a freckle?
I don't have freckles.
So lots of kids are noticing right now that they all have feet. Do you have a freckle? Yeah.
You have one freckle right there. Right there on your cheek. I see one.
On my shoes.
And I see one.
Does anybody have ears?
Yeah. I'm ready for that.
Does anybody have glasses?
Yeah.
Henry has glasses. Who else in this room
I'm ready
has?
for
You have
that.
glasses?
Yeah.
Well, sometimes I wear sunglasses,
I don't see any freckles.
but I don't have glasses on.
I see brown hair.
I'm ready for a snack. I'm ready for a snack.
Well, remember, we're going to take turns and pass it
We're
around.
gonna have some first.
Oh, I can't because